of flange. Flange can be classified in several alternate ways as follows: based on types of connection, based on flange facing types, based on pressure temperature rating, based on material type. Threaded flanges. Threaded flanges are also known as screwed flange, and it is having a thread inside the flange core which fits on the pipe with matching male thread on the pipe. This type of joint connection is speedy and simple but not suitable for high pressure and temperature application. Threaded flanges are mostly used in utility services as air and water. Socket valve flanges. Socket valve flanges has a female socket in which the pipe is fitted. Fillet welding is done from outside on the pipe. Generally, it is used in small bore piping and only suitable for low pressure and temperature application. Slip-on flanges. Slip-on flanges has a hole with matching outside diameter of pipe from which pipe can pass. The flange is placed on pipe and fillet welded from both inside and outside. Slip-on flange is suitable for low pressure and temperature application. This type of flange is available in large size also to connect big bore piping with storage tank nozzles. Normally, these flanges are of false construction and are provided with the hub. Sometimes these flanges are fabricated from plates and are not provided with the hub. Lap joint flanges. Lap flanges is having two components, a stub end and a loose backing flange. Stub end is butt welded to pipe and backing flange freely moves over the pipe. The backing flange can be of a different material than stub material and normally of the carbon steel to save the cost. Lap flange is used where frequent dismantling is required and space is constrained. Weld neck flanges. Weld neck flange is the most widely used type in process piping. It gives the highest level of joint integrity due to butt welded with a pipe. These types of flanges are used in high pressure and temperature application. Weld neck flanges are bulky and costly with respect to other type of the flange. Blind flanges. The blind flange is a blank disc with a bolt hole. These types of flanges are used with another type of flange to isolate the piping system or to terminate the piping as an end. Blind flange are also used as a main hole cover in the vessel. Based on flange facing type, it can be further classified as flat face, raised face, ring joint, tongue and groove, male and female type. Serration on the flange face. The flange face has small grooves as you can see in the image. This machining is known as a serration. Flange face can be smooth and serrated type. Which type of face to use it depends on the type of gasket and service of the fluid. Smooth finish is used with a metallic gasket, whereas a serrated finish is used with a non-metallic gasket. The soft material gasket is set in this serration and prevents liquid or gas from passing from the flange joint. Serration can be spiral or concentric rings as you can see in the slide. Concentric rings type finishing is used when fluid is of very low density. If you use spiral type finish with very low density fluid, it may find a leakage path through the spiral cavity. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.